Notes and highlights are annotations that users can apply to documents in order to do things like call out important passages, ask questions, or summarize and detail the contents of a document. Notes and highlights can be viewed and accessed from the Annotations tab in the right side panel. The Annotations tab in the full screen panel will display all of the notes associated with the document. In this case, we have one note applied to the document. Anyone with at least view permissions on notes can view notes applied to a document. Anyone with at least create permissions can apply a note. To apply a note, click the text box on the Annotations tab, type in the content of your note, and click Save. With create permissions on notes, you can also delete your note, edit the note, or templatize it if you feel like you'll need to use it again. To templatize a note, click the T icon and select a slot to save it in. To apply a templatized note, look to the Note Templates box and click on the template that you want to apply. The content will auto-populate in the text box, allowing you to make any necessary modifications or changes. If you have admin permissions on notes, you can edit your notes as well as other people's notes on the document. The notes we've applied so far are document-wide. This means that they are associated with the entire document, not a particular passage or section. If you want to call out a specific part of the document, you can do so via the Highlight tool. To apply a highlight, first toggle on the highlighter. You can also use the caret icon to change the color. Once the highlighter tool is selected, simply click and drag over the image view of the document. You can click on an applied highlight to do things like delete the highlight, change the color of the highlight, or add a note to the highlight. You can also hover over any of the four corners to resize the highlight. You can also apply a highlight using the Text Selection tool. One benefit of highlights is that it is much easier to review only the most important sections of documents after the fact. Rather than clicking through all 6 pages to see the important sections, you can simply click the Annotations tab, scroll down to the Highlight section, and click through the highlighted areas. If you have any questions, please consult our help documentation at support.everlaw.com, or feel free to contact us by message, email, or phone.